So today in this video we shall factorize 6 minus 35x minus 6x square. So to factorize we write the first term 6 and last term minus 6x square. So 6 times 6 means 36 and we need here 35. So it is minus 36x plus x means it is 35. So now we find out common in these both first expression and these both last expression. So both contain 6. So remaining here 6 times 1 means 6 minus 6 times 6 means 36 and this x. Like as here common is plus x. So there is nothing, x already came, so remaining 1 minus 6 1x came, so remaining is x. So now we again find out common in first and last expression. So both contain 1 minus 6x. So 1 minus 6x is common and the remaining in the first is 6, in the last plus x. So 1 minus 6x, 6 plus x are the required factors. So this much for today and thanks for watching.